Breathing techniques in yoga are like the secret sauce that takes your practice to the next level. Let's dive into some powerful techniques that will not only enhance your yoga experience, but also help you relax and find inner peace. First up, we have the Ujjayi breath, also known as the ocean breath. This technique involves constricting the back of your throat slightly as you breathe in and out through your nose. The sound created resembles the waves of the ocean, helping you stay focused and calm during your practice. Next, we have the Kapalabhati breath, or the skull shining breath. This rapid and forceful exhalation followed by a passive inhalation helps to energize the body and clear the mind. It's great for boosting your energy levels and improving concentration. Moving on to Nadi Shodhana, or alternate nostril breathing. This technique involves breathing in and out through one nostril at a time, helping to balance the left and right hemispheres of the brain. It's perfect for calming the mind, reducing stress, and enhancing mental clarity. And let's not forget about the Sadali breath, also known as the cooling breath. By curling your tongue and inhaling through it, you can create a cooling sensation in the body, perfect for calming down during a heated practice or on a hot day. Lastly, we have the box breath, a simple yet effective technique that involves inhaling, holding, exhaling, and holding the breath in equal counts. This technique helps to calm the nervous system, reduce anxiety, and improve focus. So there you have it, a variety of breathing techniques to supercharge your yoga practice and promote relaxation. Experiment with these techniques and find the ones that resonate with you the most. Remember, the breath is your anchor in yoga, so breathe deeply and find your inner peace.